Hello everyone. Imagine working for a company where every decision from the smallest to the most significant aligns with the core values and ethical principles. How would it feel to be a part of an organization that prioritizes integrity and respect above all else? Today, we will explore how ethical leadership can build such value-driven organization. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the principles of ethical leadership, learn strategies for creating value-driven organizational culture, discover tips for embedding ethics into everyday business practices. Ethical leadership involves leading by example, demonstrating integrity, fairness, and respect in all business practices. Ethical leaders prioritize doing what is right over what is easy or profitable, fostering a culture of trust and accountability. Integrity, upholding strong moral principles and honesty. Fairness, ensuring just treatment and equity for all stakeholders. Respect, valuing the dignity and rights of others. Accountability, taking responsibility for actions and decisions. Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, is known for his ethical leadership. He emphasizes empathy, respect, and inclusivity, transforming Microsoft's culture and driving its success. Ethical leadership is like being a lighthouse, guiding the organization safely through storms with unwavering principles and clarity. Paul Polman, former CEO of Unilever, implemented sustainable and ethical business practices, prioritizing long-term value over short-term goals. His leadership significantly improved Unilever's reputation and performance. A value-driven organization embeds its core values into every aspect of its operations, ensuring that these principles guide decision-making and behavior. Steps to building a value-driven organization. Define your core values. Clearly articulate the fundamental beliefs and principles that define your organization's identity. Google's core values include focus on the user and all else will follow, and do the right thing. Lead by example. Leaders should consistently demonstrate the organization's value in their actions and decisions. Petunia's leadership exemplifies their commitment to environmental sustainability by investing in eco-friendly initiatives and products. Communicate values consistently. Regularly communicate your values to employees, customers, and stakeholders through various channels. Starbucks communicates its values of inclusivity and community engagement through internal training programs and public initiatives. Encourage ethical behavior. Create an environment that encourages and rewards ethical behavior among employees. Intel's ethics program, including training, resources, and a helpline to support employees in making ethical decisions. The Body Shop, founded by Anita Roddick, was built on values of social and environmental responsibility. The company's commitment to ethical sourcing, cruelty-free products, and community trade has earned it a loyal customer base and strong reputation. Ethical leadership and value-driven organization are essential for long-term success and trust. Reflect on your current or future leadership role. Identify the core values and define your organization and commitment to leading by example. Implement strategies to integrate these values into your policies, practices, and daily operations. Using an online platform like discussion forum or video recording, create and present a scenario involving an ethical dilemma in a business setting. Describe the scenario, the stakeholders involved, and your decision-making process in resolving the dilemma.